Harvard study shows that 85% of one's success at workplace is attributed to soft skills, and only 15% of one's success at workplace is attributed to hard skills. Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I will be explaining to you the 5 most important soft skills you need to develop now. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video. First of all, what are soft skills? Soft skills are skills that help you work and socialize with others effectively. Soft skills are skills that help you work and socialize with others successfully. In this video, I have 5 important soft skills that you need to develop now. The first skill on my list is communication skill. Communication skill is an important skill you need to develop. If you are somebody that wants to be promoted in your career, you need to communicate effectively. If you want to receive promotion in your career, you need to communicate effectively, both verbal and non-verbal. What you say, how you say what you say are really important. Companies and organizations want people that can effectively communicate the what, the who, the why, the when, and the how of everything. If you want to accelerate your career, you must develop your communication skill. Not just the way you talk, but the way you show, the way you do things. I am talking about your body language. If you are in a meeting now and you did not go with what is said, that is a way you can disagree with your body language. And even if what you are saying does not tally with your body language, people will see you as a deceitful person. So the first soft skill you need to develop is communication skill. Develop your communication skill. This will really help you, and it will really help your career to accelerate. The second soft skill you need to develop here is problem solving. Companies and organizations want somebody that can effectively solve their problem. Companies and organizations want somebody that can think critically and proffer solutions to the problem that is on the table. A manager of a company will not be happy when you come to him when there is any problem. Try to improve your problem solving skill. How can you improve your problem solving skill? You can improve your problem solving skill by learning and thinking critically. Those are the 2 ways that I know that you can improve your problem solving skill. When you improve your problem solving skill, this will place you in a high place and can easily get you promoted. So increase your problem solving skill by thinking critically and by learning. When a company is faced with a problem, it is advisable that you approach the problem with a win-win mentality. Some people, when they are in an organization and they want to solve a problem, they are not looking for a win-win scenario. They are looking for a win-lose scenario, or what they are just focusing that they should solve the problem and they should win. And if you really want to be a good person, if you really want to develop your soft skill, you must develop the third skill that I'm talking about now, which is the teamwork. Teamwork is the third soft skill you need to develop. When I'm talking about teamwork, what is teamwork? Teamwork is you having the capacity to work with others efficiently. Teamwork is the ability for you to work with others effectively. So if you have a problem solving skill and you have a win-lose mentality, that means you have not developed your teamwork spirit. Teamwork is really needed in an organization, especially if you have a common goal to achieve. So develop your teamwork spirit. When your teamwork spirit is developed, this will make people to always want to work with you. This will make people to always want to be in the same group with you whenever a project is to be done. So develop your teamwork spirit. Teamwork skill can also be likened to leadership skill. When somebody is called a leader, does not mean the person is holding a post of a leader. It just means that the person attribute, the person characteristics is in line with what a leader can be called. So develop your teamwork spirit. This will really help you and it will accelerate your career. This can be your unfair advantage. For you to maximize your productive and for you to be effective, you need to develop this 4th soft skill, which is adaptability. Adaptability skill is a skill that helps you to adapt and to get used to some certain environment. If you are a business owner and you are only used to a particular condition without any stress, I can easily predict that you will soon extinct, because things change, humans change. You need to evolve. I used to tell people this: either you evolve or you die. So you must learn to adapt to some conditions. You must be a person that learns to adapt. 50 years ago, typewriter was trendy, typewriter was running. Just imagine the business owner then, you are just focused on typewriters, and they did not think about they did not want to evolve with the computer. Now typewriter is now in extinction, while computer system is now what we use. So adapting to new technology can really help your business, can really help your career to go further. So develop your adaptability skill. This will help you to be effective and also increase and maximize your productivity. The fifth skill you need to develop if you want to accelerate your career and if you want to be productive in your business is develop accountability skill. Whenever anybody come to me, whenever most people come to me and say, Andrew, can you help me? I want to set my goal, I want to do that, I want to do that. Or Andrew, I want to become more productive. I used to tell them that try to have an accountability partner, or try to have an accountability system. Try to have a system whereby you are accountable to. If you want to accelerate your career and you are in an organization, you must learn to be accountable to your superior. Learn to be accountable to your superior. If you are a business owner, learn to be accountable to an accountability system. If you think you are an island and you think nobody can caution you or keep you on track, I can tell you that this will really limit your productivity and it will really make you not to be effective and efficient. So if you really want to accelerate your career, develop your accountability skill. This will help you to be more effective, to be more efficient, and to be more productive. I want to know which of the soft skills I've mentioned that you have developed. So in the comment box, let me just mention the soft skills you have now and those you work on. If you got to this point of this video, I must really add a bonus to you, which is this soft skill you need to develop it, which is time management. Most time we think we have time, whereas it is false. When you are not a good time manager, you tend to do less in a large time. Give yourself a deadline for you to effectively manage your time. For you to develop this time management skill, you need to be conscious and intentional and set a deadline for the tasks you are doing. This will help you to effectively manage your time. So if you come to the end of this video, just in the comment box, let me see the soft skill you develop and the one you want to develop, so that I can, in one way or the other, so that I can know how I can help you. Or if you have any question, just drop it in the comment box. I will reply you within 24 hours. So thank you guys. Like this video. If you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are a new viewer. But don't subscriber, like this video so that the YouTube can boost the algorithm and it can get to more people. And share to your friend that needs to watch this. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.